For those men and women whose names are emblazoned on this war memorial and on those war memorials elsewhere in the world. They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
Felt quite honoured to be included. Just gave me a sense of being part of something. Yeah, very honoured.
My great-grandfather, Levi Velawa, was in the Fiji Labour Corps, and so I was asked, usually it's actually my father that lays the wreath here, but this year, because they're commemorating the role of women, they've asked for some of the women members of the family, so they asked for my father's daughter, which is me. And yeah, so it was, I mean, it's quite an honour to represent. I mean, obviously there's many families connected to the Fiji Labour Corps, and so it was nice to take the time to really think about, you know, what happened in Fiji's history and the role that the Fiji citizens had in the war and how it contributed to world peace and you know, Fiji's freedom and development as a nation. And it was a really nice service, yeah.